Rangahau to me is something that's quite new to me, and it's only because I've only learnt about this term since I've been here at Te Wānanga, and also because of my previous study here at Te Wānanga. Rangahau, from what I see or what I've heard from a lot of the Māori academics from Te Wānanga, is an exploration of things te ao Māori. So when I looked at that concept, I had to immediately think, what does that mean to me as a Samoan? Can I relate to Rangahau? And is Rangahau something similar in terms of, do we as Samoans conduct Rangahau? And we do, but it's not necessarily called Rangahau. We call that so'eso'enga. So it's the form of, if I was to literally translate it, it's almost like a quest into the unknown. And that's what so'eso'enga is all about to me as a Samoan. So as you go throughout your life and you find yourself on this quest or this journey, majority of the time it's a journey of self-discovery into one's centeredness or what it is that I believe in. And I think you just work your way out from there. So that's kind of how I see Rangahau. I have to interpret it from my own lens, my own cultural lens, from a Samoan lens.